Uh, Good evening, comrade.
Good evening.
We are very fortunate that comrade Partha Rakshit, who is the General Secretary of FMRA, is there with us, and we would like to ask you some questions. The government policies on the health sector and how it is affecting the public in the India. Can you please explain that?
So, this overall health policy, if you consider, it is our crystal clear demand. The healthcare should be free distribution should be ensured through the government network only. And so, for the specific areas where FMRI is pioneer to organize such movement, like medicine-related issues. And if you consider since long, before the introduction of GST, when this government was preparing themselves to introduce GST in medicines, from then only FMRI started its movement. Prior to that, the removal of VAT and taxation, whatever the procedures were there, that time also we organized our movement. And from the very much inception of the GST concept on medicines, FMRI initiated programs, movements involving its own members, other mass organizations, general public, that while an ailing patient is going to be taxed for the purchase of medicine, it is an inhuman approach. It is a faceless approach. So there should not be any GST collection from the ailing patients through medicines or medical devices. So recently you have noticed that central government have reduced the rate of GST. 36 drugs that has been considered as zero GST, as well as other medicines whatever available in the market, from 18% or 12%, it has been reduced to 5%. So our demand continues, our movement also continues. 2 days working committee was there, 20th and 21st of this December at Raipur, widely discussed in this area, and designed certain programs centering to the demands like zero GST has to be ensured, quality medicine in affordable price. That is the basic slogan of FMRI, because nowadays counterfeit medicines, low quality medicines, substandard medicines are spread over across the country. So the health related issues, instead of correction, it is detrimental for the consumption of the patients. So FMRI is going to launch further programs involving other mass organizations and general people in coming days, and revival of public sector units. That is also one of the prime demand of FMRI.
And